Anthony DiAquino here, coming at you with another Modular Minute. So, a customer reached out to me recently, and he had actually been following us for about 3 years now, but never pulled the trigger because he was under the impression that we will not work with custom designs. So given, if you go to our website, you can see 30 plus designs in our Green Lux series, designed by Lance Lowry, our chief design officer, and they're beautiful designs. But some customers, they already have designs that have already fit the lot or fit their needs or whatever, that maybe they have it through stick build or already modular built. If you take those designs and you send them to us for $2 a square foot, we can actually filter those designs through Lance Lowry and his team to make them modular. Now that means that we're gonna design them with modular in mind and design it to where we can actually build it and ship it from the factory, $2 a square foot. On top of that, if you see any of our existing designs and you want to make some minor adjustments for a flat fee up to about $1,500, we can make those minor adjustments to you to maintain a flow or a square footage to meet your needs. So please feel free to reach out if you have existing designs. Let us take a look. Let us see if we can work with it. Also, remember, if you guys have a question, please feel free to leave a comment below with your question and maybe featured on a future Modular Minute. Awesome. Thank you. Bye.